Alright guys, so today we are going to study our poultry breeds. So you are going to take these notes in the chart that I posted in your Canvas page. You're going to continue with this. Once we're done with poultry, then you can submit your chart to me. Okay, so poultry breeds. So poultry identification. Okay, so how we identify poultry is by their breed, their type, and their class. So unlike beef cattle, dairy cattle, and swine, we could technically register. Like you can have a registered Angus bull, okay? But you can't do that with poultry. So we do it by their breed, which is a group of related fowl that the breed is true to a specific trait. The type is the purpose for which it is bred. So is it a meat or an egg type, or it can be both. And then the classes is their geographic origin, so where they're from. Alright, so the white leghorn, they're going to lay a number of white eggs. Okay, it's white, the color's white. You determine what color egg that the chicken will lay due to the earlobe, okay? So it's going to be used just for egg production, and then its origin is from Italy. So the egg is, or the chicken's from Italy. A buried rock, okay? And they are black and white. Okay, they're one of the most popular dual-purpose chickens on small farms today, meaning they are used for both egg and meat production. So they're not just used for one, they can be used for both. And they're going to lay brown eggs. Okay, a Rhode Island Red, okay, it's red. They lay eggs very well, and they're valued for their meat. So Rhode Island Reds are used for either meat production or egg production. They can be used for either one. A silkie. So a silkie, it looks like this. I know you're thinking, man, they look funny, but this is what a silkie looks like. They are considered a showy chicken, okay, and the hens, which are their moms, make wonderful mothers. Most people don't really use these for egg or meat production. They're just used to be like the showy chicken. A friend of mine, that's the only breed of chicken she'll buy is the silkie. Just for show, like just to have. An Australorp is soft, shiny black feathers, has hints of green and purple in the sunlight. If you look at this picture, you can kind of see right here, it has that green and purple tint, but it has to be in the sunlight for you to see it. So they're excellent layers of brown eggs. Now we're in the turkeys. Turkeys are considered poultry as well. You have the broad-breasted bronze. Okay, it's bronze since the turkey is bronze color. They have black feathers, and they're the largest of the turkey varieties. A broad-breasted white. Okay, the turkey is white. Okay, they have white feathers, and they survive better in hot climates. So they do better in hot climates than they do in cold climates. A Beltsford small white, developed by the USDA to provide a smaller turkey for consumers. So this is just a smaller turkey for consumers. If you're like me, I don't eat turkey but one time a year or twice a year, maybe at Christmas and Thanksgiving. That's the only time I ever really eat turkey. So they came up with this turkey with genetics to make it about 10 pounds smaller than other turkeys. Okay, all right, so this is all for poultry. So if you have, you should at this point have your chart filled out, and you should be done with that. So what I want you to do is submit it to the Canvas page, and then you should be done other than tomorrow's assignment. If you have any questions, send Ms. Wallace an email.